Actress Priyanka Chopra Jonas and her singer husband Nick Jonas celebrated Diwali at their home in Los Angeles this year. On Friday, Priyanka took to Instagram to share a series of pictures performing Lakshmi Puja with Nick at their home. In the pictures, Priyanka can be seen dressed in yellow sari, while Nick wore an embroidered white kurta for the puja. Priyanka Chopra captioned the post, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Lakshmi Rupene Sanstitha Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. With the blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi, we invite her grace and abundance into our home. Happy Diwali. Fans gushed over Priyanka and Nick's picture in the comment section. One fan wrote, Love you guys. Happy Diwali. Blessings of love and light. These pictures are beautiful. Another fan praised Priyanka for following her culture. She wrote, Wow, isko bolte hain sanskar. You are great, Priyanka. Well, not just this, fans also appreciated Nick for respecting Priyanka's cultural traditions. One fan commented, Love how Nick is following the tradition. That's what marriage is about, respecting each other's views and beliefs. God bless you both. Priyanka Chopra also shared pictures with YouTube sensation Lilly Singh, Mindy Kaling and others from a pre-Diwali party she attended. Love, laughter and a room full of badass Desi boss ladies. She wrote, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas tied the knot in December 2018. On the work front, Priyanka is currently busy with Citadel, helmed by Avengers makers Joe and Anthony Russo. Citadel is a spy thriller series co-starring Richard Madden, slated for an OTT release. On the Bollywood front, Priyanka will next be seen in Farhan Akhtar's directorial Jile Zara. The film also stars actress Katrina Kaif and Alia Bhatt in lead roles. Priyanka shared the motion poster of the film on her Instagram handle. She captioned the post, Let's rewind to me musing about wanting to do another Hindi film ASAP on an unusually rainy night in Mumbai in November 2019. But it had to be the right one, different, cool, never been done before, I thought. The idea grew into a movie helmed by an all-female cast. There are not enough Hindi movies that are female multi-starrers. This led to an impulsive phone call to my 2 a.m. real friends about this idea that involved 3 on-screen girlfriends, a celebration of friendship, we called it. Katrina, Alia and I enthusiastically met in February 2020, just before the world shut down, to discuss who we could trust to bring this vision to life for us, and our choice was unanimous: Farhan, Ritesh, Zoya and Reema. We had all worked with Excel Movies and Tiger Baby Films individually, so this seemed perfect. It just so happened that Farhan was working on a female road trip movie at the same time. Talk about all the stars aligning, and here we are. Jile Zara, it only took 3 years to align all our schedules, but we stuck together and got it done. This one is to sisterhood, to friendship and to breaking the mold. Can't wait to get on the road with Alu and Catty. My heart is smiling. See you at the movies. Jile Zara is written by Zoya Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar and Reema Kagti. Produced by Reema Kagti, Zoya Akhtar, Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar. It will be released in 2023.